Hi, it's Tim here at Matchbox Customs and Restos, and we're going to talk about some slot cars and what just came in today. This is a Matchbox, it's a semi-truck, commemorating 54 to 94 on the Oreos, which was 40-year anniversary, but box is trashed. As you can see right there, that's done. This is ripped. I mean, as far as it being worth anything, not really. So I'm thinking about doing a custom resto on this. I kind of thought about, when I first was looking at it online, about going ahead and doing the trailer ups. This way I can run the other Matchbox semi trucks, but this here would have to be moved to about right here, because you try to hook up the trailer and it won't turn, it won't do anything. So anyways, I may or may do something different with that. This, it's got chips, it's got nicks, it's got all kinds of little problems with it. The nice thing is it's got rubber wheels. Too bad they didn't use dual wheels on this. They would have been kind of nice, but that's okay. Heavy, very heavy little truck. To compare it to an M2, I don't know, not the same size. I'm not sure what's right. Is the Matchbox the 164, or is the M2 and the Winross the 164? So as you can see, there's definitely a size difference. Wheels are bigger, everything. I'm almost thinking these are like 143, 132. I'm not sure, but anyways, back to this. I'm probably going to do a repaint on this, because with the chips and the nicks and other stuff, I could do a custom out of this. The trailer, probably just go ahead and redo it. Maybe I'll take some dual wheels, put them on the back end of this. Dual wheels, different set of wheels on the front end there, and I might move that pin up, so this way I can put that on the back of one of the other trucks. So that's kind of the idea on that. Now, just for fun, I dug these out. These are mine. I've had for quite a while. As you can see, this is still in the, I've got two of them I still have the box for. Not that they're still in the boxes, they've been out of the box for a while. These are 1970s cars, AFX Magna Traction. This is the number 1922 Dodge Street Man. And I'm not going to fight this mount to get it off, because it's rough to get it off here. She's a little dirty, but I really like this van. There's the Hot Wheels version. And what you can see about the grills there is this. This is the 71 to 73 grill. This is the 74 to 78 grill. Basically, you can see how much different the Hot Wheels van is to that. This is more realistic. It's more to the scale. It's more, the doors are right, the grill's right, for the year, the grill's right. What I was talking about, I was starting to do the video on this. This is, like I said, the 74 to 78 grill. So it would have these tail lights on it, but it's got the 79 tail lights on it. So that's a total difference in what it should be. So Hot Wheels kind of screwed up on that, but this is a cool little van. I don't care what anybody says, this is a cool little van. I always liked it. I liked it when I was a kid. So definitely one of the ones I've held on to and I'm not going to let out of my sight. This one is the number 1925 AFX Magna Traction 31 Model A Ford panel. I'm missing the grill. I had the grill, I put it down somewhere, I don't know where I put it. So it went MIA. Anybody has a grill for this that would like to part with it, let me know. I would be interested. So this is not a bad little vehicle either. It's got Goodyears on the front end of it. I mean, you can't really see it. It's right there. I might do the white lettering on that so this way everybody can see. I don't know if the Dodge got that on there or not. No, Dodge does not have lettering on the front tires. But this is a cool little Ford too. But like I said, anybody has that grill, let me know. I'm interested. One thing about these, this one is like a $35 to $50 car on eBay. This one has sold with the case for close to $100 all the way down to $25. Are they worth anything a lot? Who knows. I'm not putting a value on them because I don't want to get rid of them. This is a C4 Corvette. This one is made by, let me see here, it says it on the inside. It is made by MR1. I'm not sure who they are, other than Tyco and AFX and other names like that. I don't know who MR1 is. So this, in decent shape. It's not banged up, it's not chipped, it's, you know, well, I guess it's got a little chip right there, but and I'm not even sure where I got this one from, but this definitely a cool little car. I like it. This one, some kind of race car. I think this is a T-Bird, 80s T-Bird, late 80s maybe. 87, 88, something, who knows. Runs, it goes. This one is an AFX, I think. No, this is an Aurora. So, another good name. So, I've only got one that doesn't have a big, exciting name on it, but this one's made by Aurora. And it's not all banged up or anything. Another one, I'm not sure where it came from, but it runs and it goes. So I've kept it. I'm not going to toss it out or anything. So anyways, guys, just a quick video. I know I haven't been putting out any videos. I kind of explained that in my last video about what's been going on with me doing a room, getting ready for 3D printing and doing molding and stuff. So this way I can get rid of windshields like this. We can do clear windshields and not have bubbles and cracks and stuff like that, and have a clear windshield. I'm also going to do, I thought about it last night, I'm going to get the equipment to do plating. So this way we can take, not necessarily this one, but do zinc plating on, you know, when you get ready to do a like a Spectra Flame on a Hot Wheels, you know, late 68 up Spectra Flame Redline type Hot Wheels. I can at least replace all that, or if I get something that's pitted real bad, I can take and nickel plate it and then sand it out, and it'll be nice and smooth for a paint job. I've also got a sorry, I'm kind of losing my train of thought here. Airbrush compressor and everything. I got the airbrush, I just don't have the compressor, so that is on its way. So there's a lot more coming, guys. It's going to be definitely exciting with the 3D printer, where I can print all the pieces I need. We had this situation where you know, you get these beds like this and they're broke. There's pieces missing, they're smashed, they've been stepped on and stuff like that. I can print out these and actually fix these trucks. Won't have missing mud flaps and everything. So I can fix these trucks, I can make them look good. I will also put them up for sale. You guys will be able to buy them. I might just put them on eBay so you can buy them right there. And that would be a good thing. I'll be able to print out, you know, little chassis, these plows, the pieces like the missing plows for the tractors. I mean, there's just all kinds of things that can be done with a printer, with a 3D printer. And like I said, I'm not getting a 3D printer that prints all them little lines and gives you all that goofy stuff. It's going to be a nice smooth like this. It's going to be smooth. You won't see no lines. But it, you know, that's kind of what I've been going for. I especially want to do an interior and a grill for this, and I'll be able to do that. So anyways, I will see you guys on the next video. If you guys would please subscribe, like, hit that bell, because every little bit helps this channel keep it alive. I do have a Patreon going. I'm still trying to figure it out real well, but there will be things added to the Patreon thing. I don't think I set it up where I would be able to put in the video about who's who in the Patreon. Get your name up there, but that will be done. So if you want to help support this channel, go there. That keeps things going, supplies, miscellaneous pieces, stuff like that. But anyways, like, subscribe, and share. It would be greatly appreciated. It helps the channel a lot. So thanks a lot, and I will catch you guys on the next video.